my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well today and keeping safe and healthy as always. So I want to start doing a series in my channel of doing 5 looks, 1 palette, and I really want to make most use of the eyeshadows I have in my makeup drawers. So the first one for this series would be this one from Colourpop. It's the Fade into Hue. And one thing about me is that I got this palette probably, I would say like 2-3 years ago. And I have not really used it. Like, look at all these shades that are pretty much untouched. I think I've used it maybe 2 or 3 times, but I really want to get into the habit of trying to get back into using a palette more than once in a year. And I think the only one I've really done that with was the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette from last year. But ever since I stopped doing it, and now I just want to get back into it. So look number 1, I feel like I kind of want to go mix between the pink and the green side. They're very beautiful spring colors together. So I think we might do that. So I will be going from dark to light. So I think I'm going to take this shade. This one is called Atelier. This one, not sure how to pronounce that one. Let's look it up. As a definition, it's a French word, and it means a private workshop or studio where an artist, designer, or craftsman works, particularly in the fine or decorative arts, fashion, or architecture. Oh, it's a French word. Okay. Atelier. Atelier. Oh my goodness. So it means workshop. Atelier. Atelier. I still don't know. But now we know it's a French word. Oh my goodness. Okay, so anyway. So I'll be taking the Sigma E27 detail blending brush. No, my battery's about to die. I should have charged it. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is Designer. This is like a very lime green color. Looks almost like a neon. And I'll be taking the Prolux blending brush K805. So it's like a really small fluffy brush. So I'm just going to put this above my crease, just like right over here. I do like to have my eyes kind of open just to see where I could lay the transitional crease at, because sometimes in the past I've gone too up and then other times I've gone too low, so I kind of want to go in between. I do feel like I would want to take two shimmers from the green and pink side. It's almost like if I'm aiming to do like a watermelon look. um, I think I kind of want to do that. Okay. So it did leave a lot of fallout with that green shade right there. I don't know if you could see, but it's pretty powdery. But it did perform beautifully. It's just has like a lot of fallout. But I will be taking this shade right here. This one is called Fantasyland, and I will put it next to this pink shade right there. And I'll be taking my reusable applicator. I absolutely love using this to apply shimmers instead of my fingers. I'm able to see like if it performs well without wetting the brush or anything. It's just by itself. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is the one under here with that shade. This one is called Poise, and it's like a light green color. I'm so sorry I can't really show you completely because of that fallout, but it's going to be this one right here, this light green shimmer, and it's called Poise. And then I'll put it on the rest of my lid, on the inner lid. I also feel like this eye look looks like I'm trying to do like the Wicked movie also, instead of like a watermelon. So far, I'm really loving the shimmers. I think it's really pretty so far. Everything is blending so beautifully. I love it. Okay, so I am done using this palette. Now I'm just going to be taking an inner corner from my singles right here. Okay, so for my inner corner shade, I'm going to take the Terra Moons Cosmetics and Euphoria. It looks like this. Super pretty. This one has like a pink shift to it. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it has like a really pretty shift to it. So we're using that for the inner corner. I also do find that a little goes a long way with this one. Okay, so this is the end for this first look I did. I think the colors blended out very beautifully, so I can't wait to create look number 2 later on. Maybe I could go like an all pink look, or maybe like an all green. So thank you again, my friend, for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm looking forward to doing a few more. So I think from right now I have like 4 more looks to do, and so far I love the palette. So may God bless always, my friend. You take good care, be safe, be well, and have a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And I will see you in my next video real soon.